Perfect. Hey everybody, today we are going to be doing a wellness adjustment on Maggie since it's been a little bit. So I'm going to get her started face up here. Good. Perfect. All right, face up here again. These arms, come on up and back. Perfect. Okay, face down. Nice. Good. All right, here, can I have you take a breath in for me? And out. Good. Yeah, I'm going to have you drop that right arm down. All right, take another breath in there for me. And out. Good. All right, same thing over here. Take a breath in and out. Perfect. And just relax that neck. Perfect. Side. Perfect. Okay, sit on up here. Maybe spin your legs that way. Okay, can I have you put your right hand on your side? Push back that elbow. Perfect. Right. And that is it. Thank you.